How to buy Minecraft with Microsoft Store 2026 Guide. In this video, I am going to teach you how to buy Minecraft using the Microsoft Store in 2026, step by step. If you want to purchase Minecraft safely and officially, the Microsoft Store is one of the easiest ways to do it. When you buy Minecraft for PC through the Microsoft Store, you receive the Minecraft, Java and Bedrock Edition bundle, allowing you to play both editions with the same Microsoft account. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account you want to use for playing Minecraft. If you don't have one yet, create a Microsoft account before continuing. Using the correct account is important because your Minecraft license will be permanently linked to it. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store and search for Minecraft. From the results, select Minecraft, Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. This is the official version for Windows and includes both Java Edition and Bedrock Edition in a single purchase. Once you're on the games page, click the Buy button. If prompted, confirm that you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account. Now choose or add your payment method. Depending on your region, you may be able to pay using a credit card, debit card, PayPal, Microsoft account balance, or a Microsoft gift card. Enter your payment information and review your order before completing the purchase. After your payment is successful, Minecraft will automatically be added to your Microsoft account. Click Install or Download to install the Minecraft launcher if it isn't already installed on your computer. When the installation finishes, launch the Minecraft launcher and sign in using the same Microsoft account you used to purchase the game. You'll now see both Minecraft, Java Edition and Minecraft for Windows available to install and play. Simply choose your preferred edition, click Install, and then click Play once the installation is complete. If you already have an active Xbox Game Pass for PC or Game Pass Ultimate subscription, check whether Minecraft is included with your membership before purchasing. Eligible subscribers can install and play supported Minecraft editions without buying the game separately while their subscription remains active. Here's a pro tip: always buy Minecraft from the official Microsoft Store or Minecraft website. Avoid unofficial sellers offering extremely cheap game keys, as they may be invalid, region-locked, or revoked later. Purchasing through official channels ensures you'll receive updates, multiplayer access, and long-term support. That's it. You now know how to buy Minecraft using the Microsoft Store in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about purchasing or installing Minecraft. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.